Welcome back, guys. I think it's time for Evan to show me something a little more advanced. Let's step it up a notch here.
All right, so far we've been talking about some things to just kind of get you on your feet, get you going with betting, learn some of the basics. It's time to start actually making some money. Watching matches is fun. Watching the teams you love is really fun, but it's all way more fun when you're actually profitable.
All right, so let's, I'll pick my two favorite teams. Like Fnatic and OG. All
right, so we're gonna start off, we'll talk about what's called implied probability. So you're gonna come to the website and you're gonna look and you're gonna see the odds for both those teams. So say the odds for OG are 1.3 and the odds for Fnatic are 3.0. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to look at what the implied probability is telling you. So what that's saying is it's going to turn into a percentage chance that each team is going to win.
Okay.
So the way you calculate that is you take 1 and you divide by whatever their odds are. So for Fnatic, it would be 1 divided by 3. So they have a 33% chance to win according to the bookmaker.
All right, so not that great.
Not bad.
Okay, all right. So, kind of, Fnatic are okay. All right, so what's the next step now that I know the bookmaker side of things?
Right, so the bookmaker is telling you what their perception of it is of how often the team's going to win, and now you have to calculate how often the team actually wins. So what we're going to call that is the true win rate. So if you take two teams that are exactly equal, they're both going to have 50% win probabilities, right? So say in this match, you do your homework, you look at Fnatic's recent form, and you think they're actually going to win 38% of the time. The bookmaker says they're going to win 33%. Your brain's telling you they're going to win 38%. You've now found a profitable bet for yourself. So you can go place some money on Fnatic, and in the long run, that's going to show a profit.
Okay. And then if I go and look at those things and say, okay, Fnatic normally have a 38% chance, but say they're playing with a stand-in or one of their players is sick. What do I do then?
So in that case, you'd still be calculating the true win rate, but it would probably show up as less than 33%. So say you calculate that they're only going to win 30% of the time, then maybe you're going to want to look at OG, and maybe OG is going to be the side that's going to be profitable one to bet on.
All right, so time for me to do a little bit of research before we get into our next topic.